To create a 24/7 Minecraft server, go to your browser and search azelhost.in. Then go to Games, then Minecraft. Over here, scroll down and select any plan you'd like to buy. Don't worry, you don't need to change your currency, you can do that later. For example, I'll buy the gold plan. Press on order now. Over here, if you're not from India and would like to pay through PayPal, choose your currency as US dollars. If you're from India, leave it as rupees. After that, press add to cart. By the way, in the coupon section, use the code NERD for a 5% discount on your first purchase. And then press I agree to the terms and service. And then press checkout. And then choose UPI if your currency is rupees. If your currency is US dollars, then choose PayPal. As I've chosen rupees, I'll choose UPI. After choosing your payment method, press pay now. I'll meet with you after paying. So after you paid for the plan, in your email, you'll get a set of instructions on how to access the game panel. Using those instructions, go to your game panel. So after coming to the game panel, you should see your Minecraft server. Now just click on your server. To start the server, just press on this green button. So after it says server marked as running, your server is now online. Over here, this is your Minecraft IP address. Using this, you can join the Minecraft server. And that's it, you created your Minecraft server.